Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi to all the available judges and friends. I am Zain Binti Retas from Polytechnic Tun Said Nasir, Paguh Muar, Johor. From Department of Petrochemical Engineering, today I would like to present my title of my project innovation, Automatic Car Maintenance Vending Machine. In this paper, vending machine will remarkable features in proposed which make the car maintenance fluid more reliable to the user than the conventional system. An automatic car maintenance fluid vending machine introduces the manpower, time and energy. It is similar to any vending machine through which we get the required things at any time and any place. Most motorists state that the purchasing of the car maintenance fluids such as coolant, car steering oil, car engine oil and car braking oil in a large quantity is a waste. This project innovation tries to solve problem for most motorists that the purchasing of car maintenance fluid such as car coolant, car steering oil, car engine oil and car braking oil in a large quantity is a waste. This proposed method can be handled situation when vehicle workshops are closed at night and the distance between the workshop and the resident. This is my innovation objective. Firstly, to develop the usage of car maintenance fluid vending machine by consumer as a petrol station. Secondly, to reduce or save more than 30% of money by filling up car maintenance fluid from vending machine instead of buying car maintenance fluid in high quantity at car service center. The limitation of the project is use only one type of engine oil with the viscosity of 5W30 only because engine oil with the viscosity of 5W30 is an engine oil which is commonly used in cars and will flow better in the car engine compared other types of engine oil with different viscosity. The main contribution in this innovation is, firstly, car maintenance fluid vending machine is invented to eliminate the cost of purchasing of car maintenance fluid, for instance of car steering, car coolant, car engine oil and car braking oil. Furthermore, to save the money of purchasing fluid in large quantity instead of using small quantity to fill up the car. Lastly, to implementation of the system reduce manpower 24 hours availability service and also reduce time consumptions. This is block diagram of hardware implementation consists of Arduino microcontroller, servo motor, keypad, RFID, card scanner, relay switch and power supply. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board that uses the 80 Mega 3 to 8P microcontroller. There are 14 digital input-output pin, 6 analog input and 16 MHz ceramic resonator, a USB connector, a power jack, an ICSP header and reset button on this board. It comes with everything user need to get started with the microcontroller. Simply plug it into the computer with the USB wire or power it with an AC to DC adapter or battery. Most shield kits for the Uno are compatible with the 80 Mega 3 to 8P board. The servo motor's job is to take a control signal that specifies a desired servo shaft output position and apply power to its DC motor until the shaft turns to the position. It employs the position sensing device to determine the rotational position of the shaft, allowing it to to determine which direction the motor must turn in order to move the shaft to the desired position. In most cases, unlike the DC motor, the shaft does not move freely around the axis. The revolution cut-off on servo motor is commonly between 90 and 180 degrees. The servo motor requires a DC supply of 4.8 to 6 volt in most cases. The servo motor will begin to rotate from 90 degree to negative 90 degree, then back to 90 degree and so on. All servo is connected to the pump in this study to disperse fluid. All types of fluids are set to dispense for 5 seconds in the source code. Keypad was connected to the Arduino board, then a program was being uploaded. A keypad is a set of buttons arranged in a block or pad, which bear digit, symbol or alphabetical letter. Pads mostly containing numbers are called numeric pads. Numeric keypads are found on alphanumeric keyboard and on other devices which require mainly numeric input. When the user presses any key on the keypad, the information is passed on the LCD. RFID is radio frequency identification is an automatic identification method. The important components were the MFRC522 RFID module and the Arduino Uno microcontroller. The MFRC522 tag card is included with the MFRC522 RFID readers. The MFR522 communicates with card or tag up to 1 cm distance via a 13.56 MHz electromagnetic field. Then send the data to an Arduino board through SPI. MFRC522 aims to make it possible for consumers to pay with their card by swiping them. After complete selecting the oil, we have to pay for the oil and enter by swiping a card on RFID sensor. Next, the tag on the RFID sense the car maintenance fluid vending machine is automatically ready to dispense. If the RFID sensor fails to sense the tag, the car maintenance fluid vending machine unable to dispense the car maintenance fluids. After the card scan on the RFID sensor, then there will a buzzer beep to ensure the card is detected. Finally, the fluid from the oil storage tank flow through the pipeline and dispensed via liquid pump for the consumer. Relay are electric switches that use electromagnetism to convert small electrical stimuli into large current. In this case, relay switches are used to control the flow of a car maintenance fluid. If the relay switches are not functioning, the valve does not open. Power supply function to convert power delivered to its input by the sinusoidal and act as a step-down transformer. Power supply is a brain of any electrical circuit as it supplies current to the other electrical component. The figure shows the flowchart of switching flow. Firstly, we need to switch on the power supply. Make sure the circuit is on condition. We also make sure the switch on every pump in on state. Moreover, to make the LCD display on, we should enter digit code. After the display on, when we can select the car maintenance fluid that require from 4 types of car maintenance fluid such as car steering oil, car engine oil, car braking and car coolant. After complete selecting the oil, we have to pay for the oil and enter by swiping a card on our RFID sensor. Next, the tag on the RFID sense, the car maintenance fluid vending machine is automatically ready to dispense. If the RFID sensor fails to sense the tag, the car maintenance fluid vending machine unable to dispense the If the RFID sensor fails to sense the tag, the car maintenance fluid vending machine unable to dispense the fluid. After the card scan on the RFID sensor, there will be buzzer beep to ensure the card is detected. Finally, the oil from the oil storage tank flow through the pipeline and dispense via liquid pump for the consumer. The consumer can refer to the instruction given in the car maintenance fluid vending machine to fill up their car will be dispensed fluid. There is an instruction provided regarding the step to handle the car maintenance fluid vending machine. Now we are presenting the result. Thank you.